Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your bank, credit card and investment accounts in Empower. It's going to be a quick video, so let's get straight into it. The first step is to log into Empower. So sign in to your Empower personal dashboard at empower.com using your email address and your password. Now once you're in, you want to go to link accounts. From the dashboard, click link accounts or the plus icon in the accounts section. Then you're going to choose your institution. So go ahead and search for your bank, credit card provider or investment platform. Empower supports thousands of institutions, so you're going to be able to find yours. Next is to enter your login credentials. You're going to enter the same username and password that you use for that institution's online banking or account portal. And then you need to grant permissions, so authorize Empower to securely connect and synchronize your accounts. This step ensures that your transactions and balance updates automatically. Next and final step is to repeat for multiple accounts. You can repeat this step for all of your bank's cards and investment accounts so that everything is tracked in one place. And that's it. Your account is now linked and your dashboard will start updating automatically. In the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add manual accounts for assets or liabilities that aren't linked online. So stay tuned for that video. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.